If you're looking to analyze your Amazon competition effectively, then JungleScout is the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use it to get the competitive edge you need to stand out in the crowded Amazon marketplace. JungleScout is a powerhouse for Amazon sellers who want to dive deep into market data and competitor analysis. With just a few clicks, you can uncover trends, understand your competitors' strategies, and even spot profitable niches. It's packed with features that give you real-time insights into what's working and what's not. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced seller, this software can streamline your product research and help you make informed decisions. Now, if you want to get started for free, make sure to check the first link in the description below to claim our exclusive JungleScout bonuses, including a free trial, so you can dive right in with no risk. Stick around till the end and I'll show you how to access an extended free trial you won't find anywhere else. When you first open JungleScout, you'll be greeted by the product database. This is where you can search for profitable products based on criteria like category, sales volume, price, and reviews. Start by narrowing down your search using these filters. For example, you might want to focus on products that have low competition but are still making solid sales. This will give you a good idea of which products are currently trending and have room for a new player in the market. Next, the JungleScout Chrome extension is a must-have tool for analyzing individual Amazon product listings. Simply install the extension, head over to an Amazon product page, and click the extension's icon. The tool will immediately display data like estimated monthly sales, revenue, price, and reviews. This is powerful because it allows you to spy on your competitors and get insights into their sales strategies, product pricing, and overall performance. One feature I really love is the Keyword Scout. This tool helps you identify high-traffic keywords that your competitors are ranking for. You can use these insights to optimize your listings, target the right keywords, and even find new product opportunities. If you're struggling with finding the right keywords, this feature alone can save you tons of time and help you hone in on the ones that matter. Another important aspect of analyzing Amazon competition with JungleScout is the supplier database. This allows you to find manufacturers who are producing your competitors' products. By identifying these suppliers, you can explore alternative manufacturing options or even improve your product sourcing strategy. Plus, this tool helps you spot new suppliers that could give you a competitive advantage by offering lower cost or higher quality. Now, if you want a deep dive into your competitors' performance over time, JungleScout's Sales Analytics tool can be a game changer. This feature helps you track your sales, profits, and expenses, while also allowing you to analyze your competitors' historical performance. By understanding how your competitors' sales fluctuate, you can predict market trends and adjust your own strategy to stay ahead. Lastly, let's talk about the Opportunity Finder. This feature uses JungleScout's massive product database to find profitable opportunities based on key factors like competition, product demand, and price point. It helps you spot gaps in the market where there's a demand for a product but not enough competition. This is especially helpful for new sellers who want to enter markets with less risk. So, if you're serious about taking your Amazon business to the next level, JungleScout is a must-have tool for analyzing Amazon competition. Remember, you can start using it completely free through the link in the description, and make sure to stay until the end for access to an extended free trial. Using JungleScout will give you the insights you need to build a competitive strategy that stands out in the Amazon marketplace. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring your competition today and stay ahead of the curve with data-driven decisions.